Hey Christine, I'm going to take a couple of minutes to show you how to set up your gradebook. So I am just in, excuse me, I'm just in your Moodle page here. And so you just go to grades up here at the top. And all your students are already entered in here. So if you want to add an assignment, so let's say you want to, say you have 100 points, or they get 5 points each class, or and for 100 points total, then you just click where it says grade report here, and then you go to gradebook setup, and then you just hit that you want to add an item. So you hit add an item, you put the name of the item in, whoops, so we'll say attendance, and we'll just leave it at 100 points, and then you just hit save. And you will see now when I go back to, so there it is. If you want to add another one, you just add another one. So let's say that you're adding test 1. Okay, and that's also for 100 points. If you wanted to change it to 10 points, you could put that there also. Say that's 100 points. You just hit save grade. And now you have 2 of them. And so if I go back up here, okay, and I want to just click back on go right here. It's changed recently, so I'm still getting used to it. So, and then I just want to go back to grader report. Okay, and then that takes me back to where I can see all of the students. Now I can enter all of their assignments in here, right? All their grades. I don't want to enter any in here, but you can see you just click in there and then you just put, whatever the points are that they received. And then, you just move to the next one. And it will average it. It will average their grades. It'll average their grades over, it'll show their average over here, okay? So let's say that she made up 70 on her attendance and she made up 95 on her, she made a 95 on her test, then it'll show that her average is 82, okay? And that's how you set that up. So it's pretty simple. And if, let's say you said, oh, well, I don't want to have that. You just go back to the grade report, hit grade setup, pulls those back up. So you can just delete both of them at once. And let's go over here to edit, and then just hit delete. And yes, I do want to delete the attendance one, and edit, delete. And yes, I do want to delete that test, and that's how you set that up. Let me know if you have any other questions about that.